Good morning, students. We are doing the S and D and F block elements. In our previous lectures, we have discussed about the D block elements that we have completed. Next, that is the F block elements. In our F block elements, there are the two series present. That is the two periods that is of F block elements. First, that is called the lengthenoids. That is the two series present below the periodic table that is called the F block element. And first series is called the lengthenoids. And in the lengthenoids, that is a variation from a 57 to 71. That is the atomic number that is 57 to 71 that is called the lanthanoid series. And lanthanoid series is the element of a lanthanoid series is of a period 6 that is present in a period 6 and that starts from a group third. Clear? That is a lanthanoid series that is of a period 6 element and a group that is a starts from a third group. And all the lanthanoid that is a 14 element in present in the lanthanoid series, all these are of a silvery white color. Okay. All the elements that is present in the lanthanoid series that is of a silvery white color. Clear? In a lanthanoid series and in actinoid series means in F block elements there are about 28 elements are present. There is no need to learn the configuration and the name of element of every element. We have just to do the important things from this topic. That is how the question are arise and what are the important question from a F block elements. We are doing just that questions. Clear? That in a firstly in a lanthanoid series that is 57 to 71 that is starts from a period 6 and a group third and all the lanthanoid elements that is of a silvery white color. And in a second one is in a lanthanoid that is all metals are present. All are metals. Clear? Now second one series that is called the actinoids. That is called the actinoids series. That is from a variation from 89 to 103. Okay. That is the elements from 89 to 103 that is called the actinoid series. And in actinoid series that is starts from a period 7th and group is same and that starts from a group 3rd. Period is 7 and a group is 3rd. And there is no color. Firstly, there is a lanthanoid series that is of a silvery white color, and second one is that actinide has a no color. These all are radioactive. Radioactive metals that is present in a actinoid series. Clear about? Next one important thing about F block element that is all the elements are present in F block that are soft in nature. Are soft in nature when they are exposed to air or in air, they get easily oxidized. Clear? That is all the elements are present in F block element that are of a soft nature, and when they are exposed in air, that react with the oxygen and they get easily oxidized. Clear? Next, about the properties. Properties of F block. We can say that firstly we have to the properties of a lanthanoid. Clear? First, that is the samarium. That is the symbol is SM. That is a samarium. That is the symbol is SM, and the atomic number is 62. That is steel hard. Firstly, we say that na all the elements are soft in nature, but one exception is that. What is that? Only samarium is such a metal that is of a steel hard. What is the reason behind it? Why the samarium is steel hard? That is due to maximum number of unpaired electrons. In a samarium, that is the number of unpaired electron is the maximum number of unpaired electron is present. So that's why they takes part in bonding. So that's why due to the maximum number of unpaired electron and they takes parts in a bonding. So that's why samarium is such a metal that is of a steel hard, and rest of a metal that is present in a F block element, that F block, that are of a soft nature. Clear? And next one is F block elements is called inner transition elements. F block elements is called the inner transition elements. Why it is called the inner transition elements? Now, firstly, if we know the general electron configuration, then the general electron configuration of F block element is n minus 2, 1 to 40, n minus 1, 0 to 1, and ns2. Clear? This is the general electronic configuration of a F block element, that is the n minus 2, F 1 to 14, because that is in F we have a maximum electron is 14. N minus 1 is 0 to 1, either it in d orbital 1 electron is present, either either the 1 or the 0 electron is present. In a S block element, 2 electrons are present. Now, why it is called the inner transition elements? If we are talking about the lanthanoid, that is the for a lanthanoid, that is n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 means that is present in a 6 period. Then 6s2, 5d 0 to 1, and 4f1 to 40. This is the general electronic configuration of a lanthanoid. Now, in this, that is the n is equal to 6, but the F in a F cases, that is we electrons are filling in a 4f. So that's why that filling of a electron is in a inner. So that's why it is called the inner transition elements. Clear? Period is 6, but the electrons we have to fill in a 4f. So that's why it is called the inner transition elements. Clear? Now next is your physical properties of lanthanoids. Clear? First year, basicity of lanthanoids. In a lanthanoids, we are moved from a La to Lu. That is a lanthanum to lutetium. First element is the lanthanum and the last one is the lutetium. Okay, symbol is lanthanum for La and lutetium for Lu. This is about the 4F, or we can say that is about the lanthanoid. When we are moving across the period in a lanthanoid, then the basicity is decreases. That is the basic character is decreases when we are moving across the period in a lanthanoid series. What is the reason behind it? By the basicity is decreases when we move in a 4F in a 6th period from a lanthanum to lutetium. That is the reason behind it. That is when we move across the period from a lanthanum to lutetium, then the atomic size is decreases. Atomic size is decreases. That is the atomic nuclear charge is increases, but the number of filling of electron in a same shell attraction will be more. So that's why the atomic size is decreases when we are moving from a lanthanum to lutetium. Clear? If the size is decreases, it means that the capability of accept the electron increases, but to donate the electron decreases. Okay, atomic size is decreases. It means if the atomic size is decreasing, it means they have a capability to accept the electron, but they have a less tendency to donate the electron. So we can say that basicity is decreases, but acidic character is increases. Clear? In a journal, we have studied in a +1 and in a 10th also. That is when we are moving from a left to right, that is the acidic character is increases. Mostly in a case of that group 17th, 16th, they are non-metals. Non-metals are acidic in a character. Clear? Acetic oxides. Same in that, but in these cases all the metals are present, but the acidic character is increases and the basic character is decreases. What is the reason behind it? Due to the atomic size is decreases. Clear? This is about the basicity of lanthanoids. Second one is your oxidation state. And mostly that lanthanoid series are exist in a +2, +3 and +4 oxidation state. They mostly they show the +2 and +3 oxidation state. They show the +1 oxidation state very rarely. बहुत कम दिखाई देते हैं +4. They show mostly +2 and +3. Clear? This is about the oxidation state. Only they are existing a +2, +3 and +4 oxidation state, and +4 oxidation state they show the rarely. Next about the we have discussed already, that is the configuration, electronic configuration. In an electronic configuration, that is what is the electronic configuration of a lanthanoid? If we are talking about the lanthanoid, that is a 6s2 5d021 and 4f1 to 40. Now, in mostly that is in a case of a 5D, that is of a 0. Electron is a 0. Only one is the element. In that case, is one electron is present in a D block. That is called a gallium. Gadolinium. Gallium. That is atomic number 64 and symbol is Gd. This is a such element that is in that cases, in a case of a 5D, that is the one element is present and electronic configuration is 6s2, 5d1 and 4f7. Clear na? Rest of all them in a case of a metals in a lanthanide series in a D, that is a 0 electron is present. But in a case of a gallium, that is such an example. In a case that is a one electron is present in a D orbital. So that's why configuration atomic number is 64 and configuration is comes 4f7, 5d1 and 6s2, and that is the important. Mostly question is that what is the electronic configuration of a gallium. Clear? Next one is your atomic radius. Atomic radius, that is we know that is the in a basicity we have discussed that is the we have discussed from a lanthanum to lutetium, that is the atomic size is decreases. That is the atomic size decreases. Clear? What is the reason behind it? That is a graph is shown like this. From a lanthanum to lutetium. That is a continuously atomic size is in this atomic number. This is atomic size. That is the atomic size is continuously decreases. The most important question, and the answer of that question is that is due to lanthanide contraction. What is the reason behind it? That is the F block element size is decreases. That is the decreases due to the lanthanide contraction. And now what is the most important question? That is what is the lanthanide contraction? Lanthanide contraction is firstly that we have discussed about the screening effect. Screening effect is what we have already discussed. Screening effect of a S block element is more as compared to that of a P, as compared to that of a D, as compared to that of a F. That is S have a spherical shape and P have a dumbbell and D have double dumbbell shape, and F block element have a diffused shape. Clear? F block element have a diffused shape. So due to the diffused shape, of F block element, they have less screening effect. They have a less screening effect. Due to the less screening effect, that is the atomic size is decreases. Clear? Due to the diffuse shape, they have a less screening effect, so that's why atomic size is decreases. Now there is a one story behind it. How can we understand this concept? You are going for a tuition classes. That is a tuition classes from a 4:30 to 5:30. Clear? How can we understand this concept? And there is say one and your favorite actor is coming in your town. You are want to see them, see him. Clear? And he is coming at 5 p.m. Your tuition classes is from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. But he is coming at 5 p.m. Then now he is coming at 5 p.m. But you are too late. It means that there is a lot of people. Firstly, suppose any actress is there. In that case, is their bodyguard in a first circle. In a second circle, that is a lot of people are there that makes crowd around him. Clear? Now, this is your bodyguard. This is a crowd of people. Clear? Now you want to see him, but you are too late because your tuition classes are end at 5:30, but he arrives at 5 p.m. Now you are coming late, means a lot of people are around him. Now you want to see if the people have a 7 feet height. Now, but you have a 5 feet height. Clear? Now you are able to see. No, if you want to see him, then you go back. मीन्स आप यहाँ पर इसके पीछे नहीं लाइन बनाकर खड़े होंगे, क्योंकि ये 7 फीट की हाइट है और ये 5 का हो गया आप, ठीक है, तो आपको कुछ नहीं दिखाई देगा. बट अगर आप थोड़ा सा पीछे जाओगे तो आपको सब कुछ दिखाई देगा, मीन्स उसका कुछ भी समथिंग दिखाई देगा. ठीक है. इट मीन्स दैट यू आर गोइंग बैक ड्यू टू द डिफ्यूज शेप. ये क्या करिए, डिफ्यूज है, मीन्स ये एफ ब्लॉक है, एफ शेप है, जिसकी डिफ्यूज शेप होने के कारण तो क्या हो गया, दिस नॉट एफ. तो साइज क्या होगा इसका, इंक्रीज हो. क्लियर? नाउ से नाउ इफ द पीपल इज ऑफ 5 feet and your height is 7 feet, then if you go around them, then you are easily able to them. Okay? Then the size is you are not moving the backward, na? So that's why size is decrease. In that cases, that is they have a 5 feet height. They have a less screening effect due to the diffuse shape. Their shape is a diffuse small. Okay? That's why nucleus have a great attraction towards the outermost shell and size is decreasing. But in their cases, screening effect is of a 7 feet. If there is a more screening effect and the nucleus have a less attraction towards the outermost shell, means form with the U, less attraction to be. So that's why size is increases. Clear na? This is about the shading effect is clear na? Lengthen, that is called a lanthanoid contraction. That is a diffuse shape of F block element. They have a less screening effect. Okay? So that's why atomic size is decreases. Now next we are talking about the reactivity. Reactivity of lanthanoid is 4F series. Clear? First is if the length N is denoted by the lanthanoid series, and in that if the lanthanoid is reactive with any acid, then it releases a hydrogen gas. Clear? And with one compound that depends upon the acid and your element. Clear? In that case, that is the hydrogen gas is released. Second one is I am talking about, if we are taking about the example of La lanthanum, that is reacting with the acid HCl, then it form a LaCl3. The hydrogen gas is released. Clear? Mostly they show the +3 oxidation state in this case. Clear? When they are active with the acid. Second one is they are active with the water. Then it form a hydroxide. That is the lanthanum hydroxide. Clear? The hydrogen gas is released. Clear? Next about, if they are reactive with the base, then in that case the hydrogen gas is also released. But if they are reactive with the nitrogen, N2, then it form a nitrite. That is the L then is common and N is a nitrite. That form they form a nitrite. How? That is a lanthanoid has a +3 oxidation state and nitrogen has a -3 oxidation state. So that's why it form a LNN. They form a nitrite. Next one is, if they are reactive with the carbon, then they form a carbide. How? Lanthanoid has a +3 oxidation state and carbon has a non-metal that is a -4 oxidation state. Then opposite then form a LN4C3 like this. That depends on your metal. I am taking the general example. Next is, if they are reactive with the oxygen, then form a Ln2. That means they are forming the oxides. Ln +3 oxidation, oxygen has a -2, then Ln2O3. Clear? This is about the reactivity of lanthanoid. Clear? Next, we are talking about the actinoids, because in this lecture we have completed F block elements. There are the some important questions are there on. And actinoid series is varies from 89 to 103. That is from actinum AC to luranium. That is the symbol LR. Clear? That is a variation from 89 to 103. In that cases, that is actinum to luranium. In that cases, 89 and 103. In that case, that is the atomic number 90. That is of a thorium. That is important. We have to learn. That is the 90 atomic number is of a thorium. We have to do only the important. Next one is the 92 atomic number. That we have also learned. That is of a uranium. Atomic number of a thorium is 90 and atomic number of a uranium is 92. After 92, that is all element, number of elements are present. That is called a transuranium. After the uranium, that is a 93, 94, 95, that all elements are present after the 92, that are called a transuranium element. Clear? This is also important. And one more, that is after the uranium, all the elements are human made, or we can say that a man-made. They are prepared in a laboratories. Clear? In actinoid, firstly we have to learn important, that is a 90 of our thorium. Second one is of a uranium 92. After the 92 uranium, that all element is called the transuranium, and all they are radioactive. They are prepared in a laboratory. Clear? One more important, that is of 101. That is of mendelium. That is MD. But who is the father of a periodic table? That is the Mendel. That is the Dmitri Mendeleev. That is called the father of a periodic table. Clear? In the to the tribute of a Mendeleev, that is the one name of a one element that is on a basis of a or the name of a Mendeleev, that is called a Mendeleev, that is of atomic number 101. Clear? And in the next, that is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of actinoid is here now becomes, in that case n is equal to 7, the configuration becomes 5f1 to 14, 6s0 to 1 and 7s2. This is the general electronic configuration of a actinoid series. Next, about the oxidation state. Oxidation state of this, that is a +2, +3, +4 and +5. In that case, they show the 4 types of variable oxidation state that they exist in +2, +3, +4 and +5 oxidation state. Next is the atomic radius. That is similar to the lanthanide. That is the atomic radius is continuously decreasing. In that cases, we have discussed about the lanthanide contraction. In that cases, why the atomic radius is continuously decreasing, that is due to the actinoid contraction. And explanation is same as we have discussed in a lanthanoid contraction. In that case is a lanthanoid series, so that's why it is called a lanthanoid contraction. But in that case, the actinoid first element is the actinium, and in that case, the series is called the actinoid series. And in that case, contraction is called the actinoid contraction. What it is in that case is due to the diffuse shape of a F block element, they have a less screening effect and atomic size decreases. This is called actinoid contraction. And this is we mainly discuss about the F block elements. D and F block elements we have a completed chapter. Clear? Now your homework is to learn all the question that is from your book. In a next there will be, I will send you a worksheet, and maybe in a next month there will be the periodic test of your syllabus, that is including the maybe 7th or 8th chapter. Clear? So first your homework is to do the revision of this full chapter, that is the D and F block elements. I am sending you a MCQ and a worksheet also, that way you will have a solve it. Clear? I hope you enjoy this lecture. Thank you.